guys, I didn't expect this snow coming. So today it's March 31st and we have snowflakes like that big, and if you can see it, I thought it's springtime, but still have lots of snow coming, and the snowflakes look so pretty though. But if you can tell, it's a little bit wet, so it's snowing. Snowy day. It's pretty hard snow. I don't know if this will stay. It's a wet snow. As you can see, it's still snowing. Today is March 31st, 2022. Snow is still falling. So guys, you cannot tell the weather, so you always prepare. Bring your jacket. If you live here in Saskatchewan, you don't really know. The weather will change in time, so always prepared. Life in Canada. Okay guys, that's it for today. It's just a quick vlog. It's like a surprise to you. We have this. So that's it for today. And I have my plants here and inside of my living room by the window with my plants. Okay, that's the view of my deck with this beautiful plants nearby the window. And I have my gomamela. It's coming. There's bud in it. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your day. Have a blessed one. Bye bye.